Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Clipchamp and creating a project with the correct aspect ratio. Once you import your video, wait until processing finishes so the waveform appears. Drag the clip onto the timeline and zoom in enough to see the audio waveform. This makes selecting and editing audio precise. Make sure playback starts from a clear point, then pause. Now you're ready to separate or adjust that audio track. Avoid skipping this step because it prevents accidental edits later. Once the clip is on the timeline, right-click and choose Detach Audio to split audio into its own track. This lets you edit or delete sound independently. Alternatively, select the clip and drag the volume slider down or click mute to silence the whole clip quickly. If you need gradual changes, use fade handles or keyframes on the audio track for natural fade-ins and outs. Make sure to play back after each change so you confirm the result and avoid abrupt cuts. Finish by exporting with your chosen quality. If you want a silent video, confirm any audio option is off or that the audio track is deleted. Once exported, preview the file in a media player to verify silence. Make sure system audio or player mute isn't hiding playback. If audio persists, reopen the project, check for duplicated audio tracks, clear Clipchamp cache, or re-import the original file and repeat detach/delete. This fixes most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.